Cake decorating is a language, and every detail is a word. The piping speaks of precision. The colors whisper of vision. The textures sing with creativity, but most people won't hear it. They'll just say, "Oh, it looks nice." They won't see the hours spent perfecting a swirl or the emotion poured into a theme. But for the one decorating, this is everything. This is storytelling, healing, empowerment in the sweetest form. This is a way to say, I matter. My work matters. What I create carries meaning. And when the world starts listening, really listening, they'll understand. This isn't just frosting. This is the voice of a creator who refuses to be silent, a voice that speaks with beauty, grace, and bold determination. Enjoyed the cake design? Share with your friends, and subscribe for more sweet and fun baking videos.